So this is Lake Pickwick, Alabama Bass Federation stop number 3. I did a really bad job recording again. My GoPro battery died multiple times. Wasn't able to do hardly much. Didn't really talk to the camera. I was really nervous. I picked this boat up on Wednesday.
Ho, ho, ho.
And I fished out of it Thursday, Friday, Saturday for my first tournament. Here I am pulling up the first spot, first ever time on Pickwick. They've got a lot of water running. They've dropped it. It's about 10 foot low. Water's dirty, and it's on the Tennessee River, so it's all stacked against me.
Ooh, it's big water. Well, first fish in the new boat is a drum. Check that shit out.
This was a really key bite for me during practice. I wound up catching 3 through this stretch right here, and then I left this area to leave it alone. And the whole time I was thinking, there's no way I'm gonna be able to get back to this area. It's gonna, somebody's gonna be sitting on it tournament morning. But this was a really good area right here. So here we are tournament morning. I'm heading down river. To my surprise, nobody's sitting on this spot. I can't believe it. So naturally I pull up, see all the fog, everybody runs slow. It rained a lot the day before. Water's moving fast. You can't really tell it here because it's kind of a current break. And this is what happens the rest of the day. This is when the wheels fell off of recording as well. All right, so I think I've got 2 keepers in the box right now at this time. Both really good spots. This is when I started realizing that the fish weren't on the bank. They were off, sitting on current breaks, humps on the bottom, any kind of cover. And so from then on, I just scoped the rest of the day. And I actually caught a lot of fish that I didn't get on camera. A lot of white bass, probably 15, 20 crappie. Just kept getting a lot of bites. A lot of short fish that that wouldn't measure. They were all spots. Lost a couple of good ones. It was all in all, it was a fun day. It wasn't a bad day at all in Tennessee River. I'm not great at it anyway, so I'll take it anytime I get a chance to.
Maybe there's some spots mixed in with them. You hope, right? Well, I'm gonna need you to act right, okay? Like, keep getting on the damn hook. Damn drum.
If you'll quit, I'll let you go. Quit. Damn drum. Well, that's all I got on camera. Some of the files got corrupted. I forgot to change the battery. The charger wasn't working for me. I'm looking at opportunities or ways to try to keep my battery from dying so I can get all of them on film.
Lively, aren't we?
Comment,
They
like,
growing
subscribe,
live
guys. I'll
well?
do better next
No.
time.
I wish they did.
Me too. That's a good spot.
Hey. There you go. Another good spot.
You got all your weight small enough, Dad. Oh, that one's pretty. My biggest was like 330 something.
Here you go. Here's a monster.
Oh yeah. I got one.
Hey.
Ended up
Monster.
20th out of 59, I believe. Not too bad. So we have two more Alabama Bass Federation tournaments. I have four more BFL tournaments, and I may jump into Choo Choo Division. Four more Bama Division tournaments. I'm at 20th in points there, 10th in points in the Federation. I've got to do better at recording, so these videos will get better, have more content. Y'all, thanks for watching. It's going to get better. More fishing to come. It's just getting started this year, and I'm going to make a really good effort on getting better at recording, getting better at fishing, and just getting better all around at making better content. So I appreciate it. Have a good one.